how to sign up for Amelio and how to basically launch your first open house. Now, we're going to update this constantly because we're constantly changing the workflow and everything like that. But basically, so just, stay tuned. We're always going to be changing this, okay? First thing is you have to go on the main page, amelioopenhouse.com, and then hit sign up, okay? Now, basically, there's two ways of signing up. This is automatically a login. So in case you're already subscribed, if you want to sign up, you have to go to sign up, and you can either basically sign up through email. And if you don't want to do that, if you have a Gmail account, you can actually sign up through Gmail. Okay. For me, I already have a Gmail account, so I'm going to just quickly sign up here and you get to the screen. Now, if you've never signed in before, everything's going to be 0 for you. So what you want to do is you want to go to profile, and first thing you want to do is hit edit, and then you obviously finish um, your information. Now, for me, it's going to be whatever, just random and Vancouver. Um, okay. And then you can actually, now let's just pretend this wasn't there. Okay. Let's just pretend this wasn't there. What you could do is you need to select, because this actually could work at anywhere in the world. We've made it really easy so we can send you text message notification. And then basically, then you put in your phone number. And this goes the same when you have subscribers. So same thing with the email. So you can actually, this is the email you sign up with, but this could be a CRM email. So you can send this to a third party or maybe your assistant or something like that if you want to. But basically, once you've kind of uploaded your photo, you've done some of the stuff, you can go ahead and update. And then once you've updated, now you can go to open houses. Now, to add a new open house, you just go here and we have we call it easy lookup. So I'm just going to put a random address here. And then, this is kind of the address that I'm looking for. If you have a condo, then you put the condo number. And this is for your own personal, you know, um, information. If you want, you put the MLS ID and, update some of the stuff. And you can actually update photos. For me, I'm just going to put this photo real quick here. Oh, it says too big. Sorry. Let's just see. Let's see this one. I love this photo. So then I'm going to go ahead and put next. I'm going to put the price. Price is, let's say, 999, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2 kitchen, and then 2450 square feet. And go next. And now you have a series of questions. Now, these are what we call custom questions. So one of them is, I understand the listing agent works for the seller. I should keep my motivation, budget, and personal information private. So you can actually change that if you wish, or you can turn it off. So you can turn off the question if you feel like that's kind of scary. It's up to you. Do you have any COVID-19 symptoms? You can actually add to this if you want. Just say, like such as cough or, I don't know, fever or vomiting, you know, something like that. And there's multiple series of questions that you can add. And then have you traveled outside the outside the country in the last 14 days? And do you have a realtor? Now, I did this on purpose. I'm going to change this. I'm going to say, do you have a real estate agent, just for fun? Okay. And really quickly, so yes or no for me. And again, I can easily change the order in which the question shows up for the client, as well as I can turn off the question or not. I like all these questions, but I'm going to, keep them. And then the last question, the last step is really what shows up. So there's a couple of things here. This is the actual URL of the form. So this actually it's not going to work right away. You need to, what do you call it? You need to actually enable the open house. So right now it's not going to be working. And the cool thing is I can actually add a photo if I want to. So let's just say, let me see how this is going to work, but let's just say I wanted to add a simple photo here of the house or something. I could do that. Um, if I want to, but make sure it is the correct size or whatever. But you can add a photo if you wish. You can add more stuff in there. Like I usually put, if it's, especially if it's a condo, I'll say it's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, whatever, whatever. I'll add stuff like that. So you can add that in there and you can save, and then it's good. Now let's just say you're like, okay, this is nice. I want to go ahead and I want to turn on the open house. You can click on here, and you can, in case you want to make some changes, you can go ahead and hit edit, or um, there's different statuses in here. In case it's a brand new listing, it's probably active. And then you can say launch open house. And once it's launched, that means everything else works. So right now, if you were to go to QR print, you can actually go ahead and print this and then be on your way. Um, and then actually just stick this to the door or to your sign or whatever, and then you're done. Okay, and if you wanted, let's say some people, they don't want to do that. They actually just want to display this on their phone. So you can actually take a screenshot of this if you want, and then just have people subscribe. But you probably, it's not the best case because they're going to be way too close to you. But anyway, so that's one thing you could do. And then that's it, it's working. Okay, guys. So once you have leads, then you click on leads, and this is where they would show up. So I'll give you an example of what that is look like. I think, let's see, this one, you know, is just an example. You can actually see what the answers were, in case, again, this is just examples, obviously. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, now again, a couple of things I want to also show you. Obviously, profile is here, and if you want to manage questions, these are what we call stock questions. So you can actually add questions or delete questions if you want, or turn off questions. Once you kind of set this up here in the master questions, that's it. You're done. You know, when you get to the second level or whatever, you don't have to, like, when you go ahead and create open houses here, you don't have to change that. It should be, you know, fixed. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Please use the application and give us as much feedback as possible. This is what I thrive on. I'm pretty excited about this. Thank you and good luck. Bye.